विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार। आयतारा फोंड्या सरकारी खेळा संकुलात 15वी ब्लू क्रॉस डॉक्टर रामाणी गोवा मॅरेथॉन सर्त आयोजित केल्ली। हातूंत देशभरातल्या सुमार 1500 लोकांनी 21 किलोमीटर मॅरेथॉन रेसीत वांटो घेतिल्लो। ह्या वेळार भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकर आनी हेर मानेस्तांनी हातूंत वांटो घेतिल्लो। आरडीएक्सो खातीर फोंडेच्यान महेंद्र गांवकर।
It is really a pleasure that this year is the 15th year of this organization. We have successfully organized this marathon race. It is also very proud to me being a MLA of Madkai constituency, where Dr. Ramana's original birthplace, where he organized many events every year, including sports, education and others, culture. I am proud that today from all over the country participated this 21-kilometer marathon race. I have heard that last month there was a race at 42 kilometers at Bangalore, and our many participants from Goa participated in that particular race. When I asked Dr. Ramani, he said now the marathon has increased to 100 kilometers. It is really interesting to run at a stance. 100 kilometers is not a joke. You have to make a practice. And the practice is not of 1 or 2 days, but it should be minimum 6 months practice. I congratulate all the event managements and all clubs who participated.
Organized this very meticulously with a lot of effort. I came several times to Goa to see that each final point has to be very successful, and truly enough, we had advertised about it. And most important, you media helped me to put it in the media. People came to know about this marathon. And this year, the response was so much overwhelming.